All right, y'all, back with another classic from the 90s. 91 Benz sl500. Of course, in that beautiful red, nice tan interior, hard top convertible. Stay tuned as we get her on the rack, go all around her, take her down the road. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. First off, looking around the exterior, I'll probably say that paint is about a 8.5. Rolling along the side, you can see a little tiny bit of I guess rash here that would easily buff out. I'm not seeing any dents or dings or anything. Tires and wheels, looks like these BBSs are practically new. I'm not seeing any scratches, curb rash or anything. They are 18s and the tires look brand new. Finishing along the side, again, I'm not seeing any dents, any deep scratches. And all the body panels look pretty solid. All of the weather sealing and everything seems to be there. Windshield in great shape. I'm not seeing any scratches, also not seeing any type of cracks. Coming along the rear fender side, rear quarter panel. Again, not seeing any scratches or anything. Looking straight all the way down. Of course, like I said, the BBSs look new. Nothing to point out there. Coming around the rear. Not seeing any paint chips or anything like that in the trunk. All the emblems are intact. All the lights do work. Again, no cracks in the bumper. No dents or any paint missing. Come along the driver's side. She looks solid and straight. Again, looking at the rear bumper, nothing there. Paint. Not seeing any scratches over here. Got a little bit of like I said, a little rub mark there. I'm not sure if it's gonna pick up too good on the camera. Said this red looks great. And again, you gotta remember, I'm about a foot away with the camera, so I'm gonna pick up every single thing. Right now, I'm about 5 feet away. It gives you a good idea of what you can expect as people walk by. Looking at the front. All the lights do work. They are in good shape. We have no cracks in the plastic. And again, looking at the bumper, no cracks, no paint chips, nothing of that nature. Looking at the hood, got two miniature little paint chips here. It looks like somebody tried to fill in. But that's about it, looking at it from the front. Give me a second, I'll go ahead and pop the trunk. We can look underneath it. And as most of the time with these cars, it's super clean underneath. The engine bay is nice and compact. Obviously, the plastic cover keeps everything looking nice and clean, but she's clean under here. Everything does work. Power steering, the AC, the heat. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. A little rear bench area. Carpet, leather. Real clean. Looking inside, dash is in excellent condition. It doesn't seem like there's any weathering, any cracks or anything like that. Gauges are solid. The plastic glass is solid, no cracks or anything. Again, in a pretty good condition. Seats are super clean. Just your normal weathering. I'm sorry, your normal wear, but no tears, no stitches, anything like that missing. Carpet is extra clean. Coming on the driver's side, again, carpet is in great condition. Driver's seat is also solid as well. Again, just have your normal weathering from the leather, but no tears or anything of that. Door jambs, as you would expect, no rust, clean. Paint's in good condition along here, all along the jambs. Nothing to really highlight. Weather seals all intact. Leather looks good on the door and the carpet. I'm gonna grab the keys. I'm gonna do the trunk, then go over to the passenger side. I was hoping it would open. And I think I just locked it because the green light came on. Give me a second. Now it's open. There we go. Mess with these so much and still don't get everything right when it comes to the electronics and the top. Trunk itself, super clean. We got the wind deflector back here still. And nothing's wrong with this. This is actually just removed because we keep all the cars on a battery tender. So it just gives us easy access to it. Passenger side. Well, I know we already saw the seat, but again, looking at the carpet over here and the door jambs, great condition. Underneath, weather seal still intact. And again, the door panel itself won't have any stains, any rips, or anything like that. The convertible top does work. I'm gonna try and shoot a separate video of the whole process of putting that on. We got the hard top over here. Actually, let's check it out real quick. Hard top is in great condition. We don't have any marks or anything. We actually have the holder for it, so you don't have to worry about us, you know, mismanaging the storage of any kind. Glass is good. Headliner itself is in great condition as well. So like I said, stay tuned. We'll get her on the road and we'll show the convertible top. All right, y'all, we'll go ahead and shoot the video with the soft top going up. First thing, the car does have to be on. And I read somewhere that you got to do it within like the first 10 seconds. So we're going to see. Obviously, first thing, push it the right way. So I'm pushing it forward. And you can see soft top is coming up now. It automatically latches. Top drops back down, locks, and the windows go up. Easy. And they just got to make sure that it's aligned.
Too far forward?
Too far in the outside.
Yeah, I gotta come forward.
Alright, I'm good in the back.
I'm good in the
And
back.
I'm good in the front.
Okay, then you gotta plug this up right here. Little sensor. Right there. And I'll get you getting started up. Sorry. You have to have it running to lock it down, so. There it goes. She's locked.
All right, y'all, we're back in the 91. Let's go ahead and get her started. Start right up and go ahead and roll the windows up. Had them down because we put the top on. All right, let's see. No lights on the dash. Obviously, the turn signals work. Horn works. Well, I'm chirping. Lights work, we good. I know the parking lights and everything was on. Let's see. Radio works, heat is on. It's on 84 now, blowing because it's like 15 degrees outside. We'll go ahead and get rolling just to see. Give me 1 second. Let me see. You need some? He asked me if it got a tag on it. I said, I don't care, we riding dirty. Gotta get this video done for you guys. No tag, he said, but we gotta get going. I don't believe in stopping, trying to one-shot it, so. All right. Mileage reads 79,591. One thing I will say, I don't think it matters, but I don't even know how do you fix that, but it's reading at 63 degrees. Actually, I guess because it was sitting inside, that's probably why. I was about to say it's nowhere near 60 degrees, but more than likely it's because it was sitting outside. We've had probably, I don't know, 30 of these things, and every single one of them, every time I drive them, I'm kind of amazed at how well they drive for, you know, 30, 35-year-old vehicles, because they drive super sporty and solid. Like the steering wheel is nice and tight, real responsive. The throttle response is responsive, even though they don't have like a crazy amount of power. It's more than enough to get this car moving for sure. So I'm always amazed at how well they drive. All of the gauges do work. The miles per gallon is reading, the temperature is reading, the gas is accurate, the RPMs, the speed, everything is reading accurate. Again, like I said, she's driving great. Once I get over here, hopefully I don't get stuck behind anybody, I'll give her a little bit of gas just to, you know, see how she gets up to speed. And I got an entrance. Let's go. So again, these things take off nice. Doing about 45 now. She is tracking straight, hands off the wheel. She's going straight down the road. Steering looks like the alignment is good. Of course, with new tires and rims, we don't have any issues with the balance, it seems. And the brakes are solid too. I'll get on them a little bit tough here, but they were working pretty good at the other two stops. She's stopping with zero issue through the Gatorade on the ground. So brakes work good. Steering is nice, communicative. Throttle is good. I'm not getting any type of hesitancy. Again, everything is coming up, and no lights on the dash. Springs feel good as well too. So like I said, she's not bouncing over the road. And the top is actually, sometimes some of the issues you have is the top's kind of getting a little bit loose. You can hear a little bit of rattle or even a little bit of wind noise. And this one is super solid. Again, I'm not hearing any squeaks of any kind. So we'll go ahead and take her back. I'm gonna get her on the rack. Probably gonna shoot 2 videos of the tops, because I'm gonna do the soft top, and then I'm gonna also do the hard top, just so that you can kind of see how to put them on, how they work, and so that you can see that there's obviously no damage to either one as hell. I think that is kind of one of the dope things about these cars as well, having 2 different tops. You know, you can ride convertible, you can ride soft top, you know, for just in case if it might rain, and you can ride hard top in the winter time. So super dope. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it back, get it on the rack, and shoot the rest of these videos. All right, y'all, we got the 91 SL500 up on the rack, fresh from detail. So you see a little bit of water dripping down, but again, it's because it's fresh from detail. Coming around the rear of the car, the bumper is in great condition, no dents, no cracks, which is a super plus considering how low this car sits to the ground. Coming around the back, gas tank, trunk area, everything looks solid. I'm not seeing any soft spots, any rust areas, anything that looks like it's been patched. Again, relatively clean underneath. Of course, we got disc brakes all the way around, seem to be stock. Again, everything looks clean underneath. I'm looking at the floor pans, not seeing any soft spots or any patchwork along the frame or the pans. That's the driver's side. Coming along the passenger side, same thing. Seems pretty solid. I'm not even seeing any rust spots either. Transmission pan, oil pan, I'm not seeing any type of leaks. Again, it just came from detail, so it's just water. Everything does look relatively clean under here. Again, disc brakes in the front as well. Still got the plat. Let me see if this is, if I can get this aligned. There we go. Just a little cover, but again, I'm not seeing any drips or anything. It's actually relatively clean. You can still see the red underneath for the most part. Slide to the front. Again, nothing showing any type of leaks. I know it's a little bit hard to see obviously with this cover here, but it would have kind of ran down towards the back as well if there was anything of note. So feel confident that it's solid under there. Looking at the front bumper, same thing with the rear. We got a little bit of, I guess you'll call, rash here, which again, being so low to the ground, probably just somebody scraping the curb, but I don't have any cracks or any dents of any kind. Let me come around to the passenger side. As you can see, she is sitting on the set of the 18-inch BBSs. Wheels look, I don't know, they almost look new. It's hard to say. I'm not gonna say they're new, but I'm not seeing any type of scratches, no curb rash or anything. I don't even see any of the marks, you know, from like washing with a towel. So look like they're in great condition. Tires are excellent. Coming along the side again, frame is solid, as well as the body underneath. I'm not showing any cracks of any kind or no dents or anything. Same thing with this back wheel. It looks super clean. Same tire, so depth is good. Come along the driver's side. Same thing, body looks good. You got a little bit of marring here. Again, I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick it up. This wheel seems to be in excellent condition as well. And again, same tires, look like they're brand new tires. Rolling along the body, again, the frame looks solid, body looks solid. Nothing to point out along there except for your normal, you know, marks from the road. And finally, this last driver wheel looks clean. Wheel solid. Looks super clean underneath. All right, so if you're interested in this 91, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at rollingmuseums.com, also at Instagram at rollingmuseums. And as always, appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below.